Yes, right. So let's move towards our next performance, that is English skit, a funny drama.
If education brings out a hidden talent, then behavior and attitude help us to climb the ladder of success. Let us learn this through a comedy skit which portrays the performance of different types of candidates in an interview.
Good evening to all. An interview is a conversation where questions are asked and answers are given in order to judge the person who is replying, especially in case of offering employment. Here is a small skit which shows the funniest candidates of an interview, which is purely imaginative.
First candidate, please.
May I come in, sir?
Yes, come in.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Please sit down. No, no, not on the floor. On the chair.
File, sir.
What is your name?
MP, sir.
MP? What it is?
Mohan Pal, sir.
Oh. What is your father's name?
MP, sir.
What's that?
Mohan Pal, sir.
What is your native place?
MP, sir.
Madhya Pradesh?
No, sir. Manipur.
Then what are your qualifications?
MP, sir.
What's that again?
Metric pass, sir.
Then why did you need this job?
MP, sir.
What's that?
Money problem, sir.
What are your personality?
MP, sir.
What's that?
Mind-blowing personality, sir.
Mind blowing. Okay, this question from in your subject, how the jet engine flies. Hey, what are you doing?
Jet engine is flying, sir.
MP,
What?
move please. Okay, you can leave now.
MP, sir.
What's that again?
My performance?
MT.
What?
Mental torture.
MP, sir. My pleasure.
Second candidate, please.
May I come in, sir?
Yes, come in.
My file, sir.
Okay, please take your seat. What is your name?
My name is Vignesh.
Vignesh. What are your qualifications?
MTech, sir.
MTech, good. Okay, Mr. Vignesh, I am going to ask few simple questions. There are 50 bricks in an aeroplane. You have thrown one of them out. How many will be remain there?
That's easy, sir. 49 bricks.
Oh, good answer. Okay. Then what are the 3 steps to put elephant inside the fridge?
Step 1, open the fridge. Step 2, keep the elephant inside. Step 3, close the fridge.
Okay. Then what are the 4 steps to put the deer inside the fridge?
Step 1, open the fridge. Step 2, take the elephant outside. Step 3, keep the deer inside. Step 4, close the fridge.
Okay. It is an lion's birthday party. It gave party for all the animals. All the animals went for the party except one. Which and why?
It is deer. It was locked up in the fridge.
Next question. An old lady wants to cross the river with a deadly dangerous crocodile. How would she cross it?
She would simply cross it, sir. All the crocodiles went to the lion's birthday party.
Okay, this is your last question, Vignesh. If you answer it correctly, I will think of it.
Is it so, sir?
We will think of it. Okay, an old lady died at the end. Why?
I think she would have drowned, sir.
No, no. She was died because of the brick which you have thrown from the aeroplane. Please take your file and wait outside.
Thank you, sir.
Third candidate, please. Third candidate. Please take your seat. No, no, no. I mean to sit, not to take it away. Okay, what is your name?
Jiva.
Oh. Why did you leave your previous job?
Actually, my company was shifted and they didn't tell where it was shifted.
Oh. Okay, describe your skills.
It's in my file.
No, I want from you.
Then file become waste.
Okay, leave it. Assume that I am giving you the job.
Thank you, sir. I will join today.
No. I just told to assume.
Assume that I got a job.
If you work for less money,
I will work for less time too.
sorry, Mr. Jiva, we are not taking you.
This is not good. I will work for less money and more time.
That is not a problem. Actually, we did not like your skill.
I didn't told my skill.
I have read it
When?
before the interview.
Then why do you ask my skills?
I want to test your communication skill
Then how do you test my communication skills?
by listening.
Now what should I do?
Simply go outside of this room.
This is not good. Give me other chance.
Okay. I will ask few opposites. If you answer it correctly, I will think of it.
Okay.
What is opposite for long?
Jump.
What?
Long jump.
No. It was not a correct answer. For long, it was short.
I don't know.
Then for hot?
Cold.
Okay, fat?
Thin.
Okay, good Jiva. Keep it up.
Bad. Put it down.
I said stop it.
You said start that.
I said stop it.
You said start that.
I reject you.
You appoint me.
Just go outside.
What?
Just go outside. Otherwise, I will call the security.
No need to call the security. You are safe everything.
Okay, Jiva, please wait outside. Oh God, save me.
Kring kring.
Yes, come in. Please stand there. Hi guys, all have performed well in your interview. First of all, Mr. MP, I request you to learn other alphabets in English. Mr. Vignesh, you have good memory power. Mr. Jiva, stop answering everything arrogantly. Okay, best of luck for your tomorrow's interview.
What? Tomorrow's interview?
Yes, tomorrow is your real interview.
Then today?
It is a mock one.
What it mean? Who are you?
I am also a candidate like you guys. I want to know my competition.
What?
Oh, leave me. Good morning, sir.
What a MP. What a MP.
What's that?
See, I am more intelligent than you. Let me explain. MP means mind-blowing performance.
Our next performance is a fusion dance.
आज का जमाना फ्यूजन का. गाने में फ्यूजन, डांस में फ्यूजन, आज तो खाने में भी फ्यूजन आ गया है.
Oh, so you're talking about nuclear fusion, right?
अरे मैं उसकी बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं कर रही हूँ हमारे जीके जैन के फ्यूजन डांस की, जो किसी भी न्यूक्लियर फ्यूजन से कम नहीं है.
Let's cheer for GK Jain girls who are going to perform a fusion dance.
Let's cheer!
Cheer, guys!
तू होगी 1 2 2 ओ कुड़िए what to do ओ हो गई मुंडे दी पतंगा वर्गी तू एवें उड़दी ओ हो गई मुंडे दी हिला ते चलदी टुक टुक तू करदी मेकअप तू कर दिया अंग्रेजी पढ़दी किट पिट तू करदी जिमें कोई साडी विक्टोरिया तू कंटी बिग बैन दी
Let's cheer for
पूरा
Radha.
लंदन ठुमकदा ओ कदों नच पैन
guys, show some spirit.
लड़की ब्यूटीफुल कर गई चूल और लड़की ब्यूटीफुल कर गई चूल देख तेरा रंग सावला हुआ बावला लड़की नहीं है तू है गरम मामला बोलती बंद मुड़ी कहूँ क्या भला कुछ भी कहा नहीं जाए तू दिल्ली हिले है लंदन रवीना टंडन तू दिल्ली हिले है लंदन मटक मटक जैसे रवीना टंडन आग लगाने आई है बंटन घोड़ी चल गई धाए मगर विलाती ईगो में रहती मगर विलाती ईगो में रहती टशन दिखाती फुल और लड़की ब्यूटीफुल कर गई चुल
मैं डालू ताल पे भंगड़ा तू भी गिद्दा पाले चले रंग जमा दे हमके बने सभी मत वाले
मन कहे कि मैं ले आऊं चांद और तारे सारे इन हाथों पर मैं चांद रखूं इस मांग में भर दूं तारे
हेलो हेलो तू फ्लोर पे जब है आई येलो येलो बड़ी सॉलिड मस्ती छाई
हेलो हेलो तू मुझे ढूंढने लगाए येलो येलो कंट्रोल करो मेरे भाई छन छन बोले अंदर सारी चूड़ियां रात बड़ी है मस्तानी तो दिल भर जानी कर ले गल्ला बूढ़िया छना छनक तेरा पन दूंगा नक नक छना छनक तेरा पन दूंगा नक नक मैं कबूतर फंसे के हो फंसे बिना है फंसे बिना है फंसे बिना छनो छनक तेरा पन दूंगा नक नक छनो छनक तेरा पन दूंगा नक नक छनो छनक तेरा पन दूंगा नक नक छनो छनक तेरा पन दूंगा नक मैं कबूतर फंसे के हो कोई फंसे बिना मैं कबूतर फंसे के हो कोई
टंग 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 टंग